What is the big news today? It's all about drop shipping. So drop shipping has been a way for sellers to build their businesses, make boatloads of money, learn the platform before jumping into their own brands. And Amazon has been suspending you guys left, right, and center over the last couple of weeks. Now, we thought they were trying to get rid of you for good, but then we're getting reinstatements that we never expected to get. And we're getting reinstatements with our first plan of action. So that's the breaking news. Drop shipping, you're getting suspended a lot, but you're getting reinstated really, really quickly. You want to learn more about safe ways to engage in drop shipping or how to avoid problems? Go to our website, AmazonSellersLawyer.com. Read about drop shipping, and if you have any issues at all, submit your case to us for a free review. This is our huge oval-shaped case submission button. Click it, submit your case, and either me or a member of my awesome team will get back to you.